In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix mouse lag, slowness, or jerky movement while drawing in AutoCAD. If your cursor feels sticky, delayed, or jumps around when you're sketching or panning in AutoCAD, the issue is often related to how the program uses your computer's graphics hardware. The good news is you can usually smooth things out with a couple of quick adjustments right inside AutoCAD. Start by going to the status bar at the bottom of your AutoCAD window. Look for the hardware acceleration icon. Click that icon, then choose Graphics Performance. This opens a panel where AutoCAD controls how it talks to your graphics card. In this window, find the hardware acceleration toggle, turn it off if it's currently on, and give your drawing a quick test. Try moving the mouse over dense hatch patterns, zooming in close on line work, and drawing a few lines or polylines to feel the response. If turning it off makes things worse or doesn't help, go right back to the same place and turn hardware acceleration on again, then test once more. Here's why this matters. Hardware acceleration uses your GPU to render lines and geometry. When it works well, everything feels snappy and smooth, but depending on your specific graphics driver and settings, it can sometimes introduce lag or jitter. Toggling it lets you choose the mode that's smoother on your system. Don't worry, this change won't affect your drawing accuracy. It only affects how the display is rendered. While you're still in the graphics performance window, turn on smooth line display. This setting tells AutoCAD to draw lines with a refined anti-aliased effect that reduces jagged edges and visual flicker. Enabling it can make cursor movement feel steadier, especially when you're working with thin lines, diagonals, or detailed geometry. After turning it on, test again by orbiting a bit in 3D, panning across complex areas, and making small cursor movements near endpoints and intersections. You should notice fewer tiny jumps and a more consistent glide. A few quick tips as you test. Use a typical drawing that normally gives you trouble so you can clearly compare before and after. If you work with large files, test both in model space and paper space. And remember that these settings are safe to toggle. If you don't like the result, just switch back. That's it. By adjusting hardware acceleration and enabling smooth line display in the graphics performance panel, you can often eliminate lag, slowness, and jerky motion and get back to drawing with a responsive, predictable cursor.